And here we go. We're going to make our cubes now. Start off by going File, New, and then your normal standard .ipt, you're in inches. So keep one thing in mind as we get started. Click here, go to your XY plane. We'll use this for all of them. Now, keep this in mind. All the measurements are either 0.75, 1.5, or 2.25. They're cubes of 0.75. So the measurements are simple. So here we go. Start off by drawing a line straight up. You can be anywhere you want to on this. I'm not going to care if you're in the middle or not. So I'm going to go up 2.25. Go to the right 1.5. Go down 0.75. Go left 0.75. Now, all we have to do is line up these two lines. You'll see the dotted line to help you line them up. See that? Click, and done. Finish sketch. Extrude 0.75. That's okay. All right, that part's done. I wish I could show this at the same time as do this, but it's okay. All right, we got to get the end of it so it ends up looking like this. I can go back and forth and show you the 3D, so that's okay. So go ahead and click on the top of this. You're going to choose on Create Sketch. Now this one's going to be very simple. We're going to choose Rectangle. You're going to click a corner down here at the bottom. Remember, as you draw it up, you're going to hit the other side. Wow, I don't know how I did that, but remember you press Tab, 0.75, Tab, 0.75 in case you want to make sure. Press Enter. Finish sketch. Extrude. 0.75. Press OK. All right. We're going to color this. Don't make it clear. Don't make it dark. Use a red or purple or green, something that's easy to see. I don't like that one. Not Fool's Gold. The light red. That's perfect. Okay. And you're going to save this as something different. So what's good to do whenever you're doing an assembly is to create a folder. If you don't know how to create a folder, you could click this thing right up here on your icons. And we're going to call this one Woith block, because this is my block. When you do yours, you can make your own. Okay. You will call this WB1, Woith block 1. Going to keep it as simple as possible. Okay. Cube 1 is done. All right, let's hit to the next one. All right, once again, File, New, Standard.ipt, go for it. Once again, XY plane, go for it. All right, here we go. We're going to hit Line, click someplace, and here we go. Click anywhere on the screen you want to. I'm going to click right here. We're going to go up 1.5. Go to the right, 0.75. Up 0.75. Right, 0.75. Now we're just going to close this thing out. So I'm going to just move my mouse straight down here until it lines up. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to click that, and finish sketch. Guess what your extrusion is? 0.75. Press OK. Okay, we're not done yet. There's a little square down here. Super important you guys put this in the same spot that I do. If not, your assembly will just not work. So click this surface here. Choose Create Sketch. Rectangle again. Okay. If you're looking at this, it's on the opposite side of this hole right here. I'm going to click this corner right here and bring it out. Once again, press Tab to move it around. 0.75, press Tab again. 0.75, press Enter. We got a block. Finish sketch. Extrude. 0.75. 0.75. Everything's 0.75. Color it. 9.75, 0.75, everything's 0.75. Don't do clear. I don't know why I clicked that. Blue looks great. and go ahead and save this as WB2. WB2. All right, that one's done. Okay, next one. Once again, File, New. Keep doing it. Rinse and repeat. Start new sketch. XY plane. Pause if you need to. All right. This is a fun one. So this one, I'm trying to make these as they're going to be oriented on the assembly to try to make your life a little bit simpler. So let's see if this helps out or not. All right, so we are going to just draw a rectangle first. Okay? Since this one's going to be a square at first, remember, tab button to go back and forth, 1.5, tab, 1.5. You see I didn't even move my mouse? There it is, 1.5 by 1.5 square. If you want to draw lines, go ahead. If not, this works too. Finish sketch. Extrude. Guess what the measurement is? Yep, 0.75. Okay, so for this one, don't mess around with the orientation of this because I need this to look the exact same as it does right now. So we're going to click the surface and do Create Sketch. So from this bottom left-hand corner is where I need to work at right now. I'm going to go lines for this one just so it's, because I have to go over the top of this. So I'm going to click on this corner right here, move it to the left. I'm going to type 0.75. You think I'm getting tired of saying 0.75? You're right, I am. Go up, 0.75. Okay, now we're going to do a different measurement. Go to the right, 1.5. That was not straight. Let's try that again, shall we? Go to the right, 1.5. Then we're going to close this out. So I'm going to go down here to this line. You have to attach it here. Make sure you have a line right there, okay? Finish sketch. Extrude. Now you may have to click these twice. You may have two of them here. You may have one. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Press OK. Okay, part 3 is done. Color it. The reason why we color it is because it makes it easy to assemble and it looks pretty too. I'm going to go magenta on this one. There we go. Save this. WB3. Okay, those two are done. All right, let's hit another one here. File, New. Standard.ipt. Create new sketch. XY plane. All right, here we go. This one, I'm going to start with rectangles because it just makes things faster. Okay? Since I can do that for this one. So this one goes, if we're doing tabs, of course, the bottom should say 2.25. The right side, zoom out so that way you can see it, is 0.75. The bottom needs to be, you need to make sure that this is exactly how it looks. You cannot have this side be the long one, this one be the short one. It will mess things up. Okay? Finish the sketcho. Extrude 0.75. Okay. So, in order to finish this one up, I need to look at the bottom of this. So, if you're looking at your cube over here, assuming you're doing it correctly, and I'm assuming a lot here because I'm trying to make sure I do it correctly too, you want to be on the back side like this. Okay? So, this is your front. I need to be on the back side right here, on this left-hand side. Hopefully this will go okay. All right, so new sketch on the back. Make sure this says back and make sure back is upside down too. So you can move these things around by just clicking them in order to have to say back. So hopefully the orientation is correct for everybody. If not, yell at me and I'll come over and I'll help you out. So new sketch right here. Once again, we're going to do rectangle. I'm going to click this bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to go up 0.75, tab 1.5. There we go. Press finish sketch. Extrude this one. Make sure you're going down. Press OK. Okay, part 4 is done. Color it. Orange looks good. Pontiac orange. So it should look like this. If you're looking at it from this side, it should have the block up here and then one underneath it. I'm going to double check my actual piece here. Eventually you'll be doing your own. This is just so you guys have a clue on what is going on here. File. Save as. WB4. Save. Alrighty, one more. File, new, container.ipt, create new sketch. There we go. Alright, so this one, we got to do lines because it's not a rectangle at the start. So we're going to go to the right, 2.25. And then Wheeze is going to go, yes, Wheeze is going to go up 1.5. To the left, 0.75. After a while, I get kind of nutty when I do these things. Down, 0.75. And then close it out. Boom. Boom. Make sure it looks like this. If you mess up on a measurement, you guys can double-click one and change it. Okay? Finish sketch. Extrude. Don't make me say it again. 0.75. I did. Okay. So, just like the other one, it matters where the bottom piece is at, because there's a little piece. Let me see if I can find it on one of my other ones. Nope, I can't. Okay. So anyway, there's a piece that goes in the middle and under. So, shift and scroll to where you're looking at it from the back. Make sure that says back up here. See that? Back. B-A-C-K. Back. New sketch right here. Rectangle. Click this edge right here. Bring her down. Okay? Tab, 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 tab. 0.75. Tab. 0.75. There. Finish le sketcho. Extrude. Press OK. There it is. Alrighty. So, go ahead and color this. Whatever color you wish. Pink. Say this is WB5, and I will see you when we do the assembly. Alrighty, good job. See you in a bit. Bye.